Welcome to Soul Euphoric, tools for relaxation, meditation, and creation. Resources to awaken access to levels of well-being. Find a comfortable position, sitting where you can be focused and undisturbed. This meditation is a pause in the daily tasks, deadlines, and responsibilities of your life. A moment to pause and move into alignment, connection with your wise self. Now notice your breath. This is an invitation to notice your breath. As you take notice, some people find that they become aware of the temperature of the air, the warmth and dryness, moisture, coolness. Noticing the aromas, the scent in the air, in the space you now occupy. I invite you to bring your awareness to the depth and expansiveness of that breath. Allow your breath to slow down, inhaling and exhaling in a slow, rhythmic pace. Some find in the experience of slowing down the urge to yawn or sigh or move around a little bit in the torso or the neck. I invite you to become one with your breath where you sit safely in your room, home, or in nature. As you pause, settle in to the posture even more deeply. Connect more deeply with yourself as the air passes through your windpipe into your lungs. Connect through the breath. Follow through the throat into your lungs. Breathing slowly and deeply, allow the energy that you put towards your career, your family, your friends, your beloveds into that breath. Follow and flow into yourself, into your heart space, into your chest. Get close to yourself. Take care. Breathe into your heart and allow any pent-up restrictions or barriers in your body to flow out with your exhalation. Become aware of fatigue or tiredness or weariness and allow that energy to release and flow outside of your body. Breathe, allow the release from tension to flow out and away on each exhalation. Let go of the grind. Allow frustration to release out into the air. And as you inhale, become aware of the unconditional, free air, unconditional love from trees and planet and the planet itself. Inhale the very divinity of life itself, the interconnectedness, interconnected in the exchange of the air you exhale for the plants and the trees, and the air you inhale. Become aware that breathing is a verb, and breathing is having unconditional love poured into your very soul. Feel the security and safety of this sacred protected space. Become aware of the enjoyment of spending time to take care for yourself. Also, allow unconditional love to pour into you, your sacred right of liberation to just be, breathe. Now allow the lushness of connecting to your heart. What are you grateful for? What are the most important things that you have in your life right now? Who do you appreciate? Rest in that feeling. What are you thankful for? Who are your mentors, your elders? Who are you grateful for? Rest in that powerful appreciation. Who appreciates you? Breathe into the chest with fullness of gratitude for being blessed by unconditional love in the very air you breathe freely. Allow that love, that unconditional love, to move through your heart, into your soul. Allow the love from the very air that you breathe to fill you. Pour into your chest with life-giving air that then carries and supports nourishment in your blood delivered to each and every cell. Exhale the weariness and tiredness. I invite you to allow the pouring of unconditional love on the breath from the very air to nourish and sustain you. Rest in the alignment of appreciation. Feel the awe of life itself pouring into you. Rest in the lusciousness of the divine connection through breathing. Experience the fullness of your breath aligned with the fullness of gratitude and awe of the interconnectedness of the divinity of life and you. Rest. Rest in the flow and the pouring of life, sustaining and rest in the support from each and every breath, easily and effortlessly. Restore your connection with yourself, listening to your wisdom, to the restful needs of your body. Align with the flow of breathing and energy to heal. Feel the restoration. Rest in clarity and focus. Rest in the alignment of appreciation of life itself pouring into you. Rest in the lushness of the divine connection through breathing. Feel the restoration of clarity and focus. As you rest in aligned breathing. Rest in alignment. Rest in the lushness of divine connection. Rest in aligned appreciation. Feel the restoration of clarity, restoration of connection to yourself. Rest in aligned breathing. Rest. Rest in the fullness of gratitude for being you. Rest in aligned breathing. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. We'll be uploading weekly new content. And leave a comment if you wish.